lifeboat nearest to us, going along at a fair old rate of knots. Bouncing around, and the faster one further out behind as well. Now somebody else going down into the smaller lifeboat, a much smaller target to hit here. Both of these are open the throttle a bit, that's it, stop now, and he's in, well done. This time the empty harness is going back up to the helicopter. And the smaller lifeboat peels away, get away from that down draft. Now if you look straight ahead, you can see that one lucky volunteer has been volunteered to jump into the water. So there's somebody in the water there. And what we're going to do here is simulate a downed airman who needs rescuing from the water. So he set off his smoke flare. It looks like he got a mayday message out before he had to eject. So the search and rescue teams have a rough idea of where he is. The helicopter's been scrambled to the rough area. He's seen the helicopter in the distance, has set off the smoke flare. The helicopter's now moving in to come to the rescue. Now they don't know whether the airman is injured or not.